Just imagine this. You are a media buyer, an agency owner, or an e-commerce entrepreneur. You know your product is great. You know your audience is right there. But there is a massive, expensive wall between you and your next $1 million revenue. That wall, that's creative fatigue. In 2026, an average person scrolls through over 300 feeds of content every single day. That is the height of the Statue of Liberty. If your ad doesn't stop their thumb in the first 1.5 seconds, you have lost the click, you have lost the sale, and guess what? You have lost your entire budget. And traditionally, to fix this, you had to hire a designer for $100 per hour, a copywriter for $500 per project, and wait for 2 to 3 weeks for the first batch of ads. And by the time they have created, the trend is already gone. But what if I told you the era of waiting is over? Welcome to AdGPT. AdGPT is not just another AI writer, it is a full stack generative AI for ads engineered specifically for digital advertising. We are talking about a platform that understands brand memory, analyzes a database of 500 million plus high performing ads, and can generate a platform perfect visuals, ads, copies, and videos for Meta, Google, Facebook, TikTok, or whatever your favorite social media platform is. In this deep dive, I'm going to show you exactly how to master this platform. We are going to go from setting up your brand IQ to creating your perfect ad that pumps out your target audience. And finally, we'll also be exploring how to create the best video ads through AI. So let's stop wasting money and start building. That is AdGPT. So before we jump into the dashboard, we need to understand the brain of the AdGPT. Most AI tools are built on the generic version of GPT-4. Most AI tools use a generic version of GPT-4. They write poems and emails. AdGPT is built different. It has been trained on a 500 million ad data. It knows what a winning ad looks like for a chocolate brand in Switzerland versus a SaaS company in Silicon Valley. It understands the specific character limits required for a Google search headline and what triggers for a professional LinkedIn audience. When you use AdGPT, you are leveraging 3 core pillars. First, speed. Second, strategic alignment. Using smart brand memory so your ad looks like your brand, not just generic AI hallucination. Third, data-driven insights. Every pixel generated is influenced by what is going viral in the ad popularity index. Whether you need static ads, carousel ads, or a full motion video ad, AdGPT is the only tool that lives at the intersection of design, copy, and performance data. So let's get started. The biggest mistake people make with AI is being generic. If you give a generic prompt, you will get a generic ad. AdGPT solves that with brand IQ. This is the first step for every professional marketer. You don't even have to write your own brand description. You simply paste your URL. AdGPT's AI scans your landing page, understands your value proposition, identifies your target audience, and pulls your brand color. Look at the example with Calorie Tracker Buddy. We enter the URL and in seconds, the AI has identified that this isn't just a fitness app, it is an emotional companion of health. In the brand configuration, you upload your official logo. Why? Because AdGPT's smart brand memory will auto-apply this logo into every ad creative. No more opening Photoshop to drag a PNG onto the image every time. This setting acts as a permanent filter for every ad you generate. Once your brand is logged, the AI remembers your brand. Every ad it generates from this point going forward will feel consistent, trustworthy, and on brand. Now let's see the heart of the platform, one of the most important features, that is Ad Factory. If you are a media buyer, you know that A/B testing is the only way to win. You need to test 10 different angles with 5 different images and 3 different CTAs. Doing this manually is a nightmare, but Ad Factory makes it effortless. Let's walk you through a real campaign. We want to promote a 30% discount on shoes. So the step 1 would be objectives. We tell the AI our goal is sales increase. We enter the promotional details, 30% off for students. Step 2, key visuals. Don't we have a professional photo shoot? We don't have a professional photo shoot? No problem. We upload a simple product image or even just a competitor's ad as a rep. Step 3, services. We select Meta for Facebook and Instagram. We choose our aspect ratio 1:1 for feed and 9:16 for stories. Now, watch this. The AI is now working as your designer and copywriter simultaneously. This is how agencies are launching hundreds of Meta ads in just few minutes. You aren't just making ads, you are building a creative machine. Now let's see our next most important feature, that is Ad Studio. This is where you use our dynamic image style. You can choose between realistic, 3D, anime, or general. It understands the texture, lighting, and aesthetics that drives more clicks. But here's the real edge of AdGPT: competitor-inspired ads. Marketers always ask, what is working for my competitors? In the Ad Studio, you can select an existing successful ad like this Stanford Business School creative and tell the AI to evolve it. You aren't copying, you are recreating the reference, but the AI swaps in your brand colors, your message, and your logo. Psychological. You are taking a proven psychological layout and uniquely creating it yours instantly. If you need a tweak, the built-in editor lets you move elements, change fonts, and adjust the color palette in real time. It's the power of an expert designer controlled by your mouse. And now, by this point of time, you are already aware of Brand IQ, the Ad Factory, and the Ad Studio features. We are moving beyond simple templates into full prompt-based AI video generation. Watch how we build a high-performing video for a brand calorie tracker buddy. Instead of filming a screen, we simply describe the scene. We are asking for a cinematic zoom, 4K resolution, and floating microstats to give it that premium high-tech feel. The flexibility here is incredible. You can choose your underlying AI model like Sora 2 and instant toggle your aspect ratio. We are going with 9:16 because this is destined for TikTok and Instagram Reels. We'll set the duration in 12 seconds, the sweet spot for attention span. To make sure the AI understands the brand vibe, we categorize this as a UGC ad with a modern aesthetic. It tells the engines to prioritize clean lines and authentic feeling moments. While the AI works, think about the heavy burden that we just eliminated. No cameras, no expensive studio lighting, and no more heavy motion graphics software. Look at the result. A smooth 4K UI animation that looks like it was made by a professional agency. You can now generate dozens of variations with different angles and different lightings to see which one performs best and what converts more. This isn't just a tool, it is a full-scale video production house right in your desktop. So, yes, we have covered a lot today. We started from the foundation of Brand IQ, where you can set up your brand and create consistent and clean ads for your brand colors and theme. Then next we saw the heart of the platform, that is the Ad Factory, where you can just upload your main image, pick a message, pick a format, and then just click generate. Then next we saw the precision of AdGPT, where you can create dynamic image styles. Also, you can recreate your competitors' best winning ads. And then at the last we saw AI video generation, where you can create scroll stopping ads for your brand. The question isn't whether you need AdGPT. The question is, how much budget are you willing to waste for your ads that don't even work? Whether you're just starting with our free plans to test the tools, or scaling to the plans with over 6,000 ad credits and thousands of video ads. Join over 10,000 marketers who have stopped guessing and started winning by creating the best ads for their brands. No designers, no copywriters, no guesswork. Go to adgpt.io right now, start your free trial, scan your website, and launch your first campaign within minutes. The future of advertising is here, and it's powered by AdGPT. Thanks for watching this masterclass. Now go create something scroll stopping. The future of advertising is here, and it's powered by AdGPT. Thanks for watching this masterclass. Now go create something scroll stopping.